Let's have a look at some examples of words and phrases taken from a small corpus of research articles in the social sciences. What we'll do is do a concordance search and get some examples so that we can see the usage and get some idea of the kind of sentences and phrases associated with particular verbs. So let's have a look at that. The website is corpuslab.com, and you can go there and try some searches yourself. So we want to look at the social sciences, and let's look for bring about, and let's look in the introduction for instances of that. So there aren't that many, but we get some sense. Autonomous agent can bring about most good, bring about individual and social well-being, to bring about change, bring about solution. So we can look through the examples. There aren't many examples here. And we can also search the results by alphabetizing the word preceding bring about by clicking on the left context. And then we sort of see the can. Cluster firms can bring about environmental gains. The to bring about solutions, will and would. And we can also alphabetize and sort the right context and see the kind of things being brought about. So the rise of neoliberal capitalism would bring about the end of mining towns. Let's try another search. Let's try searching for brought about, and let's look for this in the conclusion. And let's look at the right context again. Brought about by something, brought about by market volatility, by short and long-term climate impacts, by unequal access to primary, secondary, etc. If we sort on the left context, this has been brought about by making something. The changes brought about, thus wildcats and welfare were brought about to try and ensure economic saving. It appears that. Okay, so that gives you some sense of this meaning and use of bring about, brought about, a kind of cause and effect, and often the thing brought about involves some kind of change.